It is potluck season. We have a lot of get-togethers that we've been going to this time of year, and I love bringing a really awesome side dish. So I'm going to share with you 6 potluck side dishes that are crowd favorites. These ones are always requested over and over again. So I'm going to share with you 6 crowd-pleasing potluck or barbecue party side dishes. I know you're going to love these. This is going to be a pasta salad, and I'm using a protein pasta that I love, but really use whichever kind of pasta you'd like for this one. I'm going to cook up a whole box of my noodles, and this is going to be a pickle pasta salad, and it has a ton of really awesome flavor. So I'm using a cup of mayonnaise. I have a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to use my pickle juice. I have a half a cup of pickle juice that I'm going to pour in, and it just gives it a really awesome flavor. I have a half a cup of some chopped up pickles, and I have some dill seasoning. I'm also going to add in about a teaspoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of salt as well. Give this a mix. It is really, really easy and simple, and it is a perfect summer potluck dish. It just got the best summer flavors in this. A huge crowd pleaser. I'm going to make some baked beans. I have 3 cans of original baked beans, and this dish it goes great with so many things that we have during the summertime at potlucks. It goes great with burgers, it goes great with steak. I have great northern beans I'm going to wash and drain, kidney beans washed and drained. I have bacon crumbles, I love these, or you can cook your own bacon if you'd like. But I have a cup of bacon crumbles. I have some brown sugar. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I have some ketchup as well. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup into this, and then I'm going to give this a mix. Adding the bacon into this really makes it so yummy. I'm just going to mix all of these beans together, and then I'm going to add it into my baking dish. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Once I have all my beans here in my baking dish, I'm just going to flatten it out a bit. And now I'm going to add on top these French fried onions. This really makes these baked beans so good. They are addicting. I absolutely love this dish. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 25 minutes, and it's all set, and it's a super good side dish. I'm going to make another pasta salad. I have a rotelli pasta, but you can use lots of different kinds. You can use shells, any kind of noodle you want, the whole box. So once this is all cooked up, I'm going to drain it, let it cool for a minute. This is going to be a jalapeno popper pasta salad, and this one just gets rave reviews. I'm using a half of a cup of the cream cheese. I have half of a cup of mayonnaise. I also have half of a cup of sour cream, and I am going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to use half of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. This is really easy, half a cup of just about everything that we're using here. I have my bacon crumbles that I love, or you can cook your own, of course. And I have some diced jalapenos. If you want, you can do some diced green chilies if you don't want it quite so spicy. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar in this. And I'm going to give this a mix. Really easy, but so good, full of amazing flavor. If you love jalapeno poppers, you will absolutely love this pasta salad, and it goes great with everything at potlucks. So this one's a hit. I'm going to use my Crockpot for this. I have 3 cans of corn. I'm going to be doing a creamed corn, which I just love in the summertime. It goes great with all kinds of barbecue potluck foods. I have a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to use a cup of milk. Really easy, a dump and go into the Crockpot, and I am going to use a whole brick of cream cheese. Is going to make this so nice and creamy, tons of flavor. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to cook this on low for about 3 hours, or on high for about 1 hour until it melts, and this is so good. I'm going to make a pea salad, a really great summertime potluck dish. I have my peas. I have half of a red onion cut into some small pieces. I have my bacon, of course. Bacon goes so good in so many of these potluck side dishes. A cup of bacon, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I have my mayonnaise. I have a cup of mayonnaise as well. I'm going to give this all a mix. And so this is just such a good little veggie side dish. I love this one. It's such a great combo with the bacon in here. So this one is so great for potlucks. I'm going to make another pasta salad, and I'm using this protein pasta once again, but use your favorite kind of pasta. I'm just using the whole box, but I've been really using a lot of this protein pasta lately. It tastes amazing, and I always love to add more protein into all of our meals. So this is going to be a kale Caesar pasta salad. So I have some chopped up kale. I have some sun-dried tomatoes, a 1/4 cup. I have shaved Parmesan. I'm going to add a cup of the shaved Parmesan, which I just love. You can use grated if you want, but I love the shaved. I am going to add our favorite Caesar dressing, 1 cup. So use your favorite kind. This is just a light Caesar dressing that we really like. So give this a mix, and this is such a great potluck pasta salad. Everybody loves this. It just tastes amazing. It goes perfect with burgers. It goes perfect with chicken. It goes great with it all. I hope that you enjoyed these 6 side dish recipes for the next potluck or barbecue party that you're going to. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.